Hi, high school teachers! Us students created a small token of appreciation to show you how much we appreciate you guys. So enjoy!
Thank you to Mrs. Freeze for being such an amazing guidance counselor. I'm so grateful for all of your support and encouragement over the years. I don't know where I'd be without you.
Hi, Mrs. Rudy. Just wanted to say thank you for being the teacher that you are. I know teaching my class wasn't especially easy, but we've still made it through, and I learned a lot through your teaching style and other methods. I know it wasn't easy with handling sports and other clubs you had, but thank you.
Hi, Mr. Reese. Thanks for all the physics you taught me in my senior year of high school. Although some concepts were really hard, the way you taught was very helpful. Thank you for everything that you do.
Hi, Mr. Keebler. I want to say thank you for all that you do. You introduced me to Science Olympiad, and you've given me so many new opportunities over the past 3 years. You helped me find my love for science, and you're always motivating me and other students to become better. Thank you for everything.
Mr. Potter, I just really wanted to thank you for teaching me engineering in high school. Engineering was always my favorite class. I always looked forward to going to it, and I loved doing TSA, and I loved having the opportunity to be on PA Gov STEM, so thank you so much.
Thank you for always supporting and being there for us through our best and worst times, whether it's helping us with homework, studying for exams, or just giving us the life advice that we all need.
Hey, Bauer. I just want to say, first off, thanks for making chem really fun. I have a lot of memories, but you really told me to believe in myself, and you've helped make me the best version of myself. You've constantly pushed me to be better, and you always believed in me. So yeah, I just want to say thank you for all of it.
Hola, Senor Day. I just wanted to say Happy Teacher Appreciation Week, and that I appreciate all your hard work over this online schooling adventure. Thanks.
Hi, Mrs. Preston. Thank you for not only being an amazing teacher, but being my mentor, my role model, and most importantly, inspiring my love for shoe to print. Happy Teacher Appreciation Week.
Hola. Gracias, señor Space, por presentarme la cátedra de señor temprano y por las canciones del señor Woolley. Fueron muy graciosos.
Yo, shout outs to Mrs. Lockard for being such an awesome history teacher and letting me visit her room pretty much every day after school since freshman year.
A big thank you and shout out to Mrs. Staub for helping me decide what I want to be and where I want to go. Hail the pit!
Hey, Mr. Whitmer. Just want to say thanks for helping me learn the language of economics. I definitely am better at telling the tale of the tape now.
Thank you, Mr. Wisniewski, for making English class so much fun and enjoyable. Your teaching has made me a better writer, and your class has taught me to wake up earlier in the morning so I don't run in right at the bell. Thank you!
Hello, Frau Woodford. Thanks for all the memories in German class and for inspiring me to explore the world.
Mr. Rakowski, thank you for being such an awesome teacher, always supporting and helping us, and providing us with a learning environment where we could laugh and make new friends while also learning fun new things every single day.
I would like to say thank you to all the teachers for putting so much work into creating a good learning experience for all the students online and in the classroom this year.
Whether it's giving a personalized book recommendation, helping with a research project, or just giving really good advice, Ms. Gajewski is always there to help with whatever we need, so thank you for being an amazing librarian and overall really great person. We miss you.
Hey, Mr. Burkhart. Thanks for always being enthusiastic when you were teaching. It made it really fun to learn about history in your class.
Happy Teacher Appreciation Week, Miss Miller. Thank you for being a great gym teacher and for somehow being able to make period 1 the best part of my day 2 years in a row.
Hey Mr. Smith, I just wanted to say thank you for putting out all the great workouts and resources to keep me healthy and in shape during this quarantine.
Hey Herman, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to say that I miss you and thank you for all the advice this year, and I cannot wait to see you soon.
Hey Mr. Farrell, just wanted to say thank you for not only helping me in the classroom, but also providing advice on how to succeed in life.
Thanks, Mrs. Daub, for always being willing to answer my many questions about college and getting me through the application process. Thank you.
Hey Mr. White, we finally got the yearbook done and it looks great even though we were in quarantine doing it, and we just want to thank you for all that you do for our community and keep those thumbs up.
Fred, thank you for helping us to reach all of our goals and to become the best versions of ourselves. We get our reps in.
Mrs. Wegman, thank you so much for not only being a great math teacher, but someone who's so easy to talk to. Exeter Township is lucky to have a teacher like you.
Hey Miss Sharp, thanks for being an amazing new teacher who lets kids be themselves in your creative expressions class.
Hola señorita González, nada más quiero decir tantas gracias por siendo una maestra muy dedicada en su trabajo, especialmente en un tiempo muy difícil. I hope that you are safe and you are doing well. Bye!
Hey Ms. Gajewski, I just want to thank you for everything you've done for Exeter Township Senior High School. Your work one-on-one with all the students throughout the school has not gone unnoticed. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Fries, for being a great teacher and also my baseball coach. I know you've been a mentor for me and many others, and I don't know where I'd be today, both as a baseball player and a student, without you. So thank you very much.
Hi Mrs. Rosa, I want to thank you for some of the things you've done for me the past couple of years, like helping me join the swim team, helping me to get my life together at times, and always being there for me and the rest of the school. You come into everything with such a positive outlook and it affects people more than you know. Thank you for everything.
I'd like to thank Mrs. Harner for always being there for students and supporting school activities. You're a great softball coach and I miss our Exeter softball family.
Mr. Wakeman, I just want to thank you for all that you do for me and also the entire Exeter student body. We appreciate you.
Hi Ms. McGaffin, I just wanted to thank you for being such an incredible teacher these last 4 years. I miss you.
Hi Mrs. Fennick, I just wanted to take the time to thank you for all your hard work and dedication through this difficult time. Your students appreciate you and I appreciate you. Hope you and your family are staying safe so that you can continue telling me stories about your kids and Tito next year. Take care.